Hi everyone, welcome to YCloud. Today we'll walk through a real use case, how to let YCloud AI Agent collect WhatsApp leads automatically and send customer information to Google Sheets in real time. The workflow is simple. AI Agent collects the lead, Data Connector sends the data, Make.com receives it, and Google Sheets automatically creates a new row. Let's look at the customer experience. A customer starts a product inquiry on WhatsApp, and the AI Agent automatically responds and begins collecting purchasing requirements. During the conversation, the AI gradually collects customer information, such as name, interested product, estimated order quantity, country or city, phone number, and email. If the customer only provides part of the information, the AI continues asking for the missing details until the lead fields are complete. Once all fields are collected, the AI agent summarizes the customer information and asks for confirmation. This confirmation step is important because it helps reduce incorrect information, invalid leads, and accidental submissions. Next, Make.com receives the lead data from YCloud and writes it into Google Sheets. When the sales team opens the spreadsheet, they can see a new row with the customer's name, contact information, country, interested product, and order quantity. No manual copying or chat history review is needed. Next, let's see how to configure this workflow step by step. First, we prepare a Google Sheets file to receive lead data. The columns can be customized based on business needs, such as name, email, phone number, country or city, interested product, estimated order quantity, source, and submission time. Later, whenever the AI agent collects a complete lead, a new row will be added automatically. Next, we create a webhook in Make.com to receive data from YCloud. After the webhook is created, copy the webhook URL. This URL will be used in Data Connector as the request endpoint for sending lead data from YCloud to Make. Back in YCloud, we configure the Data Connector. Here, we enter the Make.com webhook URL and define the fields that need to be sent, such as customer name, email, phone number, country, interested product, and estimated order quantity. This allows the information collected by the AI agent to be sent out as structured data. After the configuration is complete, we do not connect it to the AI agent immediately. First, we test the data flow with sample data. After sending test fields, check whether Make.com receives the data, and then confirm whether Google Sheets successfully creates a new row. If the test works, it means the data flow from Data Connector to Make and then to Google Sheets is working correctly. In Make.com, we also need to configure the Google Sheets module. First, authorize your Google account, then choose the Add Row action, Spreadsheet ID, and Sheet Name. This allows Make to automatically add a new row in Google Sheets after receiving lead data. Once the data transfer flow is confirmed, we can start configuring the AI agent. In YCloud, create an AI agent for a B2B promotional gift company. Its task is not just to reply to customers, but to gradually collect complete purchasing requirements in the WhatsApp conversation. In instructions, we clearly tell the AI agent what information to collect and how to guide the conversation. For example, it needs to collect the customer's name, email, phone number, country or city, interested product, and estimated order quantity. If the customer does not provide all information at once, the AI should continue asking for the missing fields. Once everything is collected, it should summarize the information and ask the customer to confirm. Next, we configure skills. The key part here is the trigger condition. For example, when the customer replies with yes, correct, confirm, or any equivalent confirmation, the AI agent can trigger this skill. This means the lead will only be submitted after the customer confirms the information is correct, preventing inaccurate data from being sent to the spreadsheet. In the skill instructions, select the data connector we configured earlier. When the skill is triggered, the AI agent will submit the collected lead fields to Data Connector, and then Make.com will write them into Google Sheets. We can also define success and error responses. For example, after successful submission, the AI can tell the customer that the inquiry has been forwarded to a sales advisor. If the API returns an error, it should inform the customer that there is a technical issue and hand the conversation over to a human agent. The value of this workflow is straightforward. First, WhatsApp inquiries are stored in a structured way. Second, sales teams can see new leads in real time. Third, when multiple agents are online, it reduces missed leads and duplicated follow-ups. Fourth, teams can filter, assign, and prioritize leads based on country, product, and order quantity. This workflow is not only suitable for B2B promotional gift companies. If your team collects customer requirements through WhatsApp and wants to sync leads to Google Sheets, CRM, or other systems, you can build a similar automation. To summarize, with YCloud AI Agent, Skills, Data Connector, Make.com, and Google Sheets, businesses can automatically sync lead information from WhatsApp conversations into a sales spreadsheet. If you want to turn WhatsApp inquiries into manageable and trackable sales leads, feel free to contact YCloud. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.